Chapter 8 Programming with Scratch. Learning Objectives. Using Looks block. Creating a duplicate sprite. Changing backdrop. Paint a sprite. Introduction. Scratch is a block-based programming language which is used to create stories, animations, and games. This chapter makes you familiar with Looks block, and you will also learn to create a duplicate sprite, changing backdrop, and paint a sprite. Michel Resnick, founder of Scratch. Using Looks block. To change the appearance of the sprite, Looks block is used. When you click on Looks block, it displays a list of blocks in Blocks palette. Move the sprite and make it say something. Step-by-step procedure to move the sprite and make it say something is given below. Click on Control block and select Repeat 10 block and drag it to script area. Click on Motion block and select Move 10 steps block and place it inside Repeat block in script area. Click on Looks block and select and drag the next costume and say Hello for 2 seconds blocks to script area and place it under Move block. Change the text of Say block to Good morning. I am a sprite for 2 seconds. Click on any block to run the script. When you run the script, a cat will move to forward direction and say Good morning, I am a sprite in the displayed box. Fact file. To delete the sprite from stage, click on the Close button of the sprite from Sprite List. Creating a duplicate sprite. To create a duplicate sprite, follow the given steps. Right-click on the sprite in Sprite List. Select Duplicate option from the list. A duplicate sprite will be created and appears in Sprite List as well as on stage. Changing backdrop. Backdrop is the background of the stage where all the projects are created. This backdrop can be changed as per the requirements of the users. Steps to change the backdrop are: click on Choose a Backdrop option. A Choose a Backdrop dialog box opens. Click on the category from which you want to choose a backdrop. Select the backdrop. A selected backdrop will be added on stage. Paint a sprite. You can create your own sprite by painting it in Paint Editor window. Steps to paint a sprite are: hover the mouse over Choose a Sprite button. Click on Paint option. A Paint Editor window opens. Select the tools and color from the window and draw the sprite. As you draw the sprite in Paint Editor window, it will be drawn on the stage as well. It is also created in the Sprite List. Quick backup. Scratch is a block-based programming language which is used to create stories, animations, and games. To change the appearance of the sprite, Looks block is used. To delete the sprite from stage, click on the Close button of the sprite from the Sprite List. To create a duplicate sprite, right-click on Sprite and select Duplicate option. Backdrop is the background of the stage where all the projects are created. You can create your own sprite by painting it in Paint box.